Y'all know what time it is. Let's get that super oil change. Come on. Oil's draining. Come on. All right. All that oil's done dripping. Besides the last little bit. Let's put our all right, now let's get that snugged up and get this oil filter. Come on. Got that old Wix oil filter out. About to go in with the EA080. Let's go. We got a quart of oil in our jug. Let's fill the oil filter up. And then we're gonna put 10 quarts in the truck. So 10 quarts of oil in the truck, 1 quart in the filter, comes to 11 quarts. We're gonna put 8 quarts of oil and 2 quarts of Prolube. Come on, fill her up, baby. And 6 quarts. And another. Oh, I need some more. Come on. Where my Prolube people at? Come on. Get us a couple quarts of this liquid gold in here. Come on. Finish it off with the Amsoil. All right, y'all. We got the oil filter back in with the quart of oil. We got a total of 10 quarts. 6 quarts here, 4 quarts here, 2 quarts Prolube, 2 quarts Amsoil. Let's finish this fucker off. Come on. It's going in. It's going in. Come on, we'll check back in when we're through. Let's go. Round 2. This is the quickest and most efficient way to pour oil, is getting one of these jugs. You can get them off my website, prodigysynthetics.com. Come on. All right, y'all, let's go. You ready to see the cleanest diesel oil you've ever seen in your life? Woo! Yeah, she's clean. No black on that stick at all. Let's go. Looking good to me. We need some diesel. Let's go get some diesel. Come on.